Now everybody and pretty much every LLM and chatbot has integrated model context protocol into their platforms or their agents or their LLMs. And why is that important? I like to think of MCP as like JDBC for LLMs. It's a common way for an LLM to talk to data. And so what allows LLMs to do is it allows them to connect to external data, and not just connect with external data, but also understand what workflows are available and what can be done with that data. So with that, these are plugins, and these plugins allow you to plug into anything. And you're seeing MCP servers now that people like even Google Drive exposes themselves as a MCP server, which means now an LLM can query and understand your assets in Google Drive if you want them. So how does it work with the semantic layer? Well, it works with a semantic layer is that the MCP server is that sort of go-between, and that's that sort of interface for the semantic layer platform. So what happens is that your MCP client, I'm going to be using Anthropic Claude today. It will talk to the MCP server and say, hey, show me what I can do. It will give it the metadata back to Claude. Claude then will respond to a user asking a query, asking a question, and it will send that question to the MCP server as a logical query. And then the MCP server will then pass that logical query to the semantic engine. The semantic engine will turn into a physical query and then return the results back to the MCP client. And the MCP client, meaning the LLM, is going to do whatever it wants to do with the returning data. And what you're about to see is it can do some pretty amazing things with it.